Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the brand new Samsung Galaxy M30s. In this case, it is a black version. It is also available in blue and white. It is a SIM-free mobile phone, and you can connect in this phone 2 SIM cards. And this is awesome. In this case, it is an Amazon exclusive model. It has so nice finish on the backside. It is black, but it's also a little bit blue. You will see this later. 48 megapixel main camera, 5 megapixel depth camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, and 16 megapixel front camera. Wow, these are a lot of cameras in one little smartphone. It contains a super AMOLED display with 16.3 centimeters diagonal screen and 2340 to 10,080 pixel resolution at 16 million colors. It has up to 512 gigabit of micro SD card power. Storage. Expandable memory for photos, music, data, and more. High performance 6000 mAh lithium-ion battery with 15 watt quick mobile charging function. But QI does not function with this smartphone. I tried this. Smartphone reloaded with the Android V9.0 Operating System, Raman Plus, Octa-core 2.3 GHz and 1.7 GHz chipset. You have a premium feature on a affordable phone. Accelerometer, fingerprint sensor at the backside, gyro sensor, Geomagnetic sensor, proximity sensor, and virtual light sensor. The M30s mobile phone connectors, USB Type-C, USB 2, and 3.5 ear jack. It has a dual SIM rail, Nano-sim 4FF, Wi-Fi, NFC, and Bluetooth 5.0. Wow. And it's not so expensive. You will get here more for less money. Really. The Samsung Galaxy M30s smartphone is a SIM-free, unlocked, low-cost mobile phone with no contract. A smartphone with features only expected on higher priced mobile phones, such as a 48 megapixel rear camera and fingerprint scanner. The AMOLED display with 16 million colors reveals even the finest details, and the Octa-core processor enables smooth graphics and fast processing. Over 49 hours of video playback can be achieved with the high-performance 6000 mAh battery. The Samsung Galaxy M30s is an inexpensive Android smartphone with premium mobile phone features. And this is I think it is the first choice if you are a beginner in high quality smartphones. Yeah, Samsung Galaxy. This is a family of the Galaxy family. It contains the S models, the M and the A models, and that means the M is a medium range it's not so expensive way to get a good smartphone. Shoot videos in stunning 4K, 3 cameras on the back for stunning photos. This mobile phone has powerful photo and video equipment with 3 high-quality cameras, lenses, image stabilizer, scene optimization, and 4K video. Yeah, we will take stunning photos and videos that will surprise the professionals out there. The M30s has serious power with 29 hours of video playback, 49 hours of video conversations, or 131 hours of music playback. Wow, we can use this mobile phone all day long. Get powered up in no time with Type-C fast charging. Ooh, this looks really like a high-end smartphone. AMOLED display, 16.21 centimeters. This is 6.4 inches. Large Super AMOLED display with 16 million colors. This is enough, really enough, I think so. You have a high-performance battery inside, Lithium-ion with 6,000 milliampere hours. This is good. And a powerful processor. Power rich with an Octa-core processor with 4 GB of RAM. RAM is random access memory. This is the new feature out there on the Galaxy M30s. Lightweight, only 188 gram and 8.9 millimeters slim. Nice. 3 cameras, I called you. Mobile phone is really beautiful, I think, because it is so black and a little bit blue on the side. 64 GB of memory that can be extended up to 512 GB by a micro SD card. And the micro SD card you can find at the slot for the SIM cards. Then you can choose 2 SIM cards and a micro SD card for example, or you can use 1 SIM card and a micro SD card for more space for data, videos, etc. 75.1 millimeters to 159 millimeters and 8.9 millimeters in the thing. The depth camera was 5 megapixel f2.2. Main camera at the rear side 48 megapixel 2.0 f. Ultra wide camera. This I know from my iPhone. Ultra wide camera 8 megapixel f2.2. And beautiful colors. Black, white and blue. That is all what you need if you like to have a brand new Galaxy family Samsung smartphone in the not higher range of price, but a higher range of quality. It is easy to set up, as you can see, and it has good and reliable features in it. What do you need for it? You need a Google account, of course, but you're watching now my video on YouTube, so you have a Google account. With this Google account, you can log into this smartphone. The buttons you have is on the right side. The power button is the button on the right side in the center, and volume up, volume down. That's all. Then you have on the rear side one area for your fingerprint, but you have also a face ID thing because of the front cameras. No problem. You can choose what you're going to use. You can choose the PIN option. You can choose the password. You can choose Face ID. You can choose fingerprint. But you can choose all of them. That makes this Samsung Galaxy an awesome protected phone. And it is a good feeling if you have it in your hand. It is not too big, but it's not too small. It has the right shape here. And the video options are awesome. And I think it is a good smartphone out there for the beginners. Beginners and in the middle field. If you like to have a high-end smartphone, you have to go to another. But this is for good price, good smartphone. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.